Introducing the all-new Gun Scrubber and Synthetic Gun Oil Combo Pack by Birchwood Casey. A clean firearm improves accuracy, so keep your firearms clean and improve their performance the fast, easy way. We've paired the legendary cleaning power of Gun Scrubber and the high performance of the synthetic gun oil in one package. Gun Scrubber Aerosol will powerfully clean carbon fouling from your firearm, while the dual pen applicator of synthetic gun oil provides the option of pinpoint application to moving parts or surface protection. With an occasional blast, Gun Scrubber eliminates firearm jams while improving accuracy and reliability. The high-pressure jet action helps prevent failures, while the handy extension tube creates a powerful blasting action that penetrates even the tiniest crevices. Birchwood Casey's synthetic gun oil is a superior gun oil that reduces the friction between mating surfaces and will not gum up or lose its viscosity under extreme temperature variations. The natural solvency of synthetic gun oil cleans as it oils, while its low evaporation rate assures protection against rust. Excellent for lubricating and protecting all firearm metal surfaces. For more information on the Gun Scrubber and Synthetic Gun Oil Combo Pack by Birchwood Casey, go to birchwoodcasey.com.